Hey guys, it's me Nell. Today I'm just gonna show you guys a very simple how to tie the scarf. This video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So let's begin. Look number one, that will be the 90s. So just take a square scarf, any square scarf will do. And mine is slightly in the medium size. I'm not too sure what is the length of my scarf, but I'm gonna fold it into half and make it like a triangle. So the first look, I'm gonna make the 90s look. So you put over like this and then take the end and tie it like that and do a double knot to be safe. Yeah, so basically that's look number one, and my hair is all over the place. So there you go. You can look edgy and chic. That's look number one. Look number two, I'm gonna show you the Audrey Hepburn look. I love this classic look. And same thing, fold into half. And I'm gonna take my headband to tie my hair so that it won't get in the way. And then, so I'm gonna put it over on my head, and the back will be like this. Okay, and I'm gonna cross these two over and bring it back and do a double knot again. So this, and just take a very fancy pair of sunglasses and use it. There you go. So this is like the Audrey Hepburn look, or you can also do the other way around, which is over like this. Yeah, but I don't know, I feel like this look make me look like a grandma. For the third look, you know how in the 90s they actually tie the scarf and wear it as a top? I don't wear like tube top or anything. I wear modestly, so I carry it with a turtleneck underneath and then put this over like that, and again tie a double knot. Ta-da! There you go. This is my modest way of wearing the tube scarf. For the fourth way, you're gonna tie it around your neck. So what you can do is that, still in triangle, you can roll it and put it over this. I drop my earrings and just tie it like that. Oops, the tack. Okay, let's hide the tack. So yeah, and actually I would like to wear this kind of style, especially if you're wearing like a sundress with a spaghetti strap. So it will be very nice because your neck is like bare, so you can accessorize it with the scarf like this. I think it's really very cute and pretty and very summery. And then next style, basically it's just tying it on my hair. I will take a hairband. And you can make a double knot. That's it. If your hair is long, then it will be pretty, but if your hair is short like mine, I would recommend like a slightly smaller scarf. So the next way that you can style your scarf is make it like a headband. And then tie it at the top. You can also do a ribbon, or else I will usually just do it like this, and then you can tie your hair or you can let go your hair. Anyway, it's fine as long as you know how to accessorize and you wear a proper outfit, then everything will look good. The next ways that you can style is put it like this on your head and tie a double knot. Like that. You kind of have like this cute scarf just hanging around there at the back of your back. I'm so sorry guys if I kind of like rush through this whole video process because my battery is dying and I have mommy duties to do after this, so I'm just trying to like show you guys as fast as possible. So this is also a nice way to style your scarf. Next way is, I don't know how many of you remember this trend. It used to be, I think, in the early 2000s or 90s. I can't really remember, but I remember people was like using it like this. So just make it into a triangle again, and then tie it around your neck, and ta-da! It's very nice. This is a nice way to, you know, spice up your plain top. So if let's say you are wearing like just plain white t-shirt or black t-shirt and then you want to accessorize, so instead of using the necklace, you can actually use your scarf and style like this, and just let your hair down, and I don't know, it kind of look very edgy, I feel. Hey guys, so my camera battery is dead, so I'm currently filming using my iPhone. After this, you can actually style it in a way like, I don't know, this is just my idea. So basically I will just roll it up like this. You know, if you're like wearing a dress or something that can show your arms, and also instead of leaving it very plain, maybe you can just tie the scarf around your wrist. You can turn it like that, and there you go. I don't know, it kind of acts like a fashion statement. I feel like this is more suitable for like when you go for I don't know, probably like a live gig, or do anybody say gig anymore? Live shows, concert, you know. So this is like a very fun way to style up your scarf. And the next way is that this is like the last one. So basically you can just tie it on your back like this. See? It's so simple. And this is a fun way to style your scarf. Like you tie it on your back, give a new look to your back. So yeah. And that's it. I guess that's the 10 ways how I would style my scarf, and I really hope this video is helpful. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!